So I've been craving an Italian sandwich so badly, probably because it has all the things you're not supposed to eat when you're pregnant, because lettuce and cold cuts have a risk of listeria and toxoplasmosis, which is really harmful to the baby. Generally, it's very low risk that you actually get it, but there's always a risk, and so the best way to do it is to make it at home so you can thoroughly wash the lettuce at home. I also air fried all of the meats, so I'm using ham, salami, and mortadella. Technically, cooked ham and mortadella are safe because they're cooked, but because of the way that these meats are processed and manufactured at factories, there's still a risk that they could be cross-contamination with something that's not cooked. And so there's been cases where these cooked deli meats still have listeria. So the safest thing to do is just to cook it. So I just threw it in my air fryer until it was fully cooked again, basically to kill off any of that bacteria. I got this beautiful garlic herb focaccia from Bakehouse, which is a very famous bakery here in Hong Kong. Yeah, you can see it's studded with garlic. Super fluffy, and it's like crispy on the outside. I also made a Calabrian chili mayo to add a little bit of heat, and I also added a little bit of Ayo's dill pickle mayo because I'm obsessed with it. It has chunks of pickles already in there. There's also some provolone, some tomatoes which I seasoned with smoked Maldon salt. I put a ton of this shredded lettuce. The way I love an Italian sandwich is with mayo, oil, and vinegar. So excited to try this. Oh my god. It has like every flavor you want in an Italian sandwich. It's meaty, it's salty, but not too salty. There's the vinegar to cut through some of that richness and saltiness. I might even add more vinegar because I don't know if it's because I'm pregnant or what, but anything pickled, like vinegary, like tart. I mean, I'm also Filipino. I love vinegar in general, but I've been extra loving it during this pregnancy. But yeah, you have that vinegar that balance out all these delicious cured meats. And this bread, it's like oily in the best way. This whole sandwich is definitely on the oily side because I also added olive oil and 2 kinds of mayo, but look, that's what I like. I think I would even add more lettuce to this. Like, I love the crunch that you get from the shreddis. Wow. And there's that bit of heat from the Calabrian chili mayo. And then you get those little bits of crunchy dill pickles from the dill pickle mayo, and that extra bit of like acidity. Even if you're not pregnant, you can just make this without having to air fry the meats. You can pick up Calabrian chili paste from Italian markets and supermarkets. I also have a link in the description to order it on Amazon. The same thing with Ayo. It's at Whole Foods, and then it's also on Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna probably only eat half of this because it's huge. This focaccia's huge. I'm gonna probably save this second half, keeping this in the fridge and eating it tomorrow. It's gonna be so good. They also have these coconut pandan donuts for summer. So obviously we need a little dessert after all that saltiness. Oh! Just dropped the top of it. It's so yummy. It's very lightly sweet. You can taste the pandan and coconut flavor in the custard. And the custard, like the filling, it's also quite light. And the donut itself is like, it's pretty fluffy. In Filipino cuisine, we have dessert called buko pandan, which is literally coconut with pandan. So this is really up my alley. So if you like this, make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See ya.